We present two iodine supplements. One of them is iodoral and second one is iodix. Iodine is a trace element essential that has origins in primitive life on Earth. At that time, it was an important antioxidant, anti-infective, and metabolic control agent. Its primary biological role is supporting production the thyroid hormones triiodothyronine, T3, and thyroxine, T4. Iodine deficiency is proving to be a risk not only for goiter and low thyroid hormone levels. It can contribute to the onset of heart disease and stroke, and increase the risk of dying from these diseases. Iodine-rich foods have long been recognized as natural therapies for high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. Iodine is an essential micronutrient for normal reproduction. Iodine also plays an important role in fetal neurodevelopment and cognitive development in children. Some people may be iodine deficient. Residents of developing countries, vegetarians and vegans, pregnant and breastfeeding women. Iodine deficiency may also lead to obesity, cognitive impairment, psychiatric disorders, and more serious health issues. It may also lead to fibrocystic breast disease and more serious breast disease. Dangerous breast disease and thyroid disease are most common in postmenopausal females. Japanese women have low risk for serious breast disease, nearly the lowest in the world. Japanese women living in Japan consumed a daily average of 13.8 milligrams total elemental iodine. Some research suggests this is an important factor for their relative health. The Japanese obtain much greater quantities of iodine from habitual consumption of seaweed. Don't be frightened of iodine. It is no more dangerous than a modest application of iodized salt on your evening meal. Everyone needs iodine for healthy living.